now, teacher. Today, we're filming the missing
Initial sound of the picture, okay? What is this picture?
A yo-yo.
Okay, what is the first letter of the word yo-yo?
Right.
Uy, huwag magtuturo. Very good. No, I can...
That's the start.
Wait lang po. It's yo-yo.
But
Next.
mommy, don't do that. There's a line.
Next. What's this?
Candle.
Okay, what's the first letter of the word candle? Letter C. Next. What's this?
I don't know what it is.
Oh, you don't know that? We use this when we clean our house.
Oh.
What is this?
Oh, yeah. Ooh.
No, not broom.
Mm.
It's a mop. It's a mop. Look, okay? It's a mop. Oh, what's the first letter of the word mop? Mop. 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 It's letter.
It's for you, mommy.
Quiet.
I don't know how to do it.
Very good. Look, and this is a.
Flower.
Okay, what's the first? No. It's the first letter. Oh, what letter is that? Letter.
F.
Very good. Look.
F. Like this.
Okay, next. What is this?
Ribbon.
Okay, what's that letter?
R.
Good job. Next. What's this?
A book.
Book.
Start
Begin.
with a letter. I know what it is.
Letter B.
B
Very
time.
good. This one.
Pillow.
Okay.
Start with a letter P.
Okay, next.
That's a wheel.
Okay, what's the
And
first
it's
letter of the
a
word?
start with a letter.
What?
Something awesome.
Letter.
W.
Okay, what's this?
Next.
Yes, very good. You write letter.
And
And very good.
it kind of like a TNT.
Okay, next. This one. Do you know this?
Yeah.
What is it?
Raffy.
What's that?
It's a domino.
Oh, galing. Okay. What's the first letter? T. Very good. Next. What's this? We have this one in our house.
I don't know.
It's a... No, we boiled water here. It's a...
It can make coffee.
Yeah, and I can make coffee from the water that we boil. It's a...
Kettle.
Kettle. Very good.
And it starts with a letter Q.
K. It's K, not Q.
Oh.
K. K.
How can
I'll help you. That's ano. Okay. Letter.
What?
K. K. Letter. K.
Ow.
That's C.
That's not right.
Alright. Do it again. It's okay.
Okay.
Straight line. Up. Down. Good job. This one. It's a kind of bird. What's that?
It's a what? Whale.
Quail. Very good. Qua. Qua. That's letter
Q.
Q. Good job.
I need to write this up.
Okay. Walang pambura yan. I'll help
Oh,
you.
Mom, because this is not M. Because this is M.
Okay. Oh, sulat na. Letter Q. Wow. That's circle.
No way.
Okay, that one. What's this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Start with the letter G.
Okay.
Like a C. What's next? What's next?
Isn't it G is like this? Like this, look, oh. Oh, you write it. You follow my letter. There. Hey, come on. Teacher is watching you. Oh, there. You write that. It's just a circle and a like that.
No, you forgot
Circle.
You forgot to put the
Ay.
top.
Oh, sorry. Okay. Go.
Circle. What?
Then go down like that. Okay. This one is a
Zip.
zipper. Oh, it's just a slipping line, slanting line, slipping line. Go.
Who could that be?
It's letter.
Z.
Very good. Oh, write it down faster.
Okay. Zigzag, 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 zig, zig. What's it?
Slanting line.
Did you watch the
Oh, slanting line. Going there. And then sleeping line. Like that. Good job. Next.
Can I look at the letter too? Can I look
This
at
one, what is this po?
the spoon?
Oh, what's the first letter of the word spoon? What letter? Oh, what letter is that? Ako mag-erase.
We need to wait that off.
Letter.
It's time.
Yes. It's like a snake spoon. Good job. Very good. Look. Bye, teacher.
Bye, Tita.